section formula means you can see here one plane is there, right? I hope you can see one plane is there. Okay, this plane, this pink color one, this mean a plane. Okay, I should this is the plane, rectangular plane, and one other plane, suppose suppose I hope you can see this yellow color one, right? This yellow color plane divide this blue color one in some ratio. Okay, we have to find the coordinate of the point of point of this line segment. Okay, the coordinate of the point. Okay, like this, suppose here is one point is there that divide these two line, here no line, here no point is intersecting, here one plane intersecting another plane. Okay, because it is 3D, so it is plane versus plane. So you can see here this yellow color plane intersecting this pink color one at some ratio. We have to find the ratio. The formula is very simple formula. You can see the formula is coordinate of the point which divide the line segment into line segment joining two points x1 y1 z1 and x2 y2 z2 internally in the ratio m:n. I hope up to this is very familiar. The yellow color one, I hope this is very familiar. We learned in class 10, if a point intersect a line segment in some ratio m:1. So what is the section formula? Section formula used to be mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Okay, here on 3D, as I told, 3D is there is 3 dimension. That means there are another coordinate is there, that is z. So only addition is mz2 nz1 divided by m plus n. Okay, the formula is same. Is it clear? Formula. Next, now this thing you did not learn in class 10, or maybe you just learned the formula, but there was no problem. This point can divide the line segment externally also. That means, suppose this this plane, this point, you can see this point. Suppose here is one point. Suppose here is one point. Suppose it is point P. Okay, this point of intersection, this point P. This point can be, this point here is lying on the line, right? But this point can be lie outside the line also. Okay, this point can be lie outside the line also. When this point will lie outside the line, it is it can divide the point, it can divide the line segment in externally. This is called external section. Okay, so when externally, it will be, formula is very simple, only same formula but only with the minus sign. Look, mx2 minus nx1 divided by m minus 1, and my2 minus ny1, only same formula. You can see the similarity between these and this, same formula, only the with the minus sign. Okay, so after that we have some case study. After the case study I'll go to the directly exercise question. So here this question asks, case 1 is saying, if the coordinates of midpoint, what will be the coordinates of the midpoint? Okay, midpoint means we all know it will be m is to n is 1 is to 1. That means all m and 1, sorry, all m and n we have in 1. Okay, just replace in the formula all m and n 1. Similarly here also all m 1, these are 1. Okay, so m, if m is to 1 is 1 is to 1, what will be m plus 1? It will be 2. Okay, just as the midpoint formula of any 2 point in coordinate, Cartesian plane. Okay, now another case study is there, is saying that if the line segment if the point divide the line segment in m is to n, the ratio is k is to 1. If the ratio is k is to 1, what will happen? We have to just replace m with k. We have to just replace m with k and n with 1. So all the m plus n, it will be k plus 1, and all n will be 1. Not 1 means we can just skip this one. Okay, this formula case 2, case 1 and 2 I'm just giving you. You don't need to remember. If you remember only these two formula, even only one formula internally, you can remember externally. External mean minus only. Okay, this is so simple. Only based on this formula we having exercise. Let me know, before starting the exercise question, let me know if anyone having any doubt regarding this section formula. Section formula is very simple. Again I'm saying, same as the 2D geometry, that is Cartesian plane. Here only here is third dimension is z, so we have to write the z coordinate only. Okay, then I hope there is no doubt. So I'm going to the exercise. Okay, exercise 12.1 in your book it is, because we may do some exercise 12.1. Okay, the question is saying, find the coordinate of a point which divide the line segment joining these 2 points in the ratio 2:3 internally and 2:3 externally. So I hope you can understand here, everything is clear. x1 x2 sorry, x1 y1 z1 is this, and x2 y2 and z2 is this. Okay, and 2:3 internally means first m is 2 and n is 3. So we have to just put the internal formula. Internal means this formula, first formula. When external, that will be only minus sign. So here just look, x will be, the coordinate of x will be mx2 nx1 divided by m plus n. Just put the value now. What is the value of m? M value is 2. 2 into 2 into x2. X2 is how much? X2 is this one. Sorry, 1 plus n. N is 3. 3 into x1. X1 is minus 2 divided by m plus n. 2 plus 3. If you do the calculation, denominator 5, numerator will be 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6. So answer will be minus 4 by 5. Okay. Similarly, mn plus n2 plus 3, my2 means 2, y2 means it is minus 4 plus 3 into n is 3 and y1 is also 3. Okay, so this will be denominator 5, numerator will be minus 8 plus 9. So this will be 1 by 5. Okay, then just put the value for the last one also. So we will get z value is given, m value is 2 into z2 is 6 plus 3 into z1 is 5 divided by 2 plus 3. Okay, I hope everyone is here. Somehow my connection got lost. Everyone is here, right? Can you hear me properly? Okay, Devya is saying yes. Okay, fine. Yeah, my call, this connection went out. Okay, fine. Okay, then what are you saying? Yeah, I was just saying that put the value of z. Okay, so it will be denominator will be 5, numerator will be 12 plus 15. So this answer will be 27 divided by 5. Okay. Now, so coordinate of point P will be coordinate of the point, coordinates of the point R. Coordinate will be, you have to write like this: minus 4 by 5, then 1 by 5, then 27 by 5. That's our answer. Okay. Now, this thing in the question saying 2.3, 2 is to 3 externally also you have to find. I want this one to do by yourself. Okay. You can see I am showing here also that same thing, only the minus sign. So this part you do by yourself. Okay. So you have to just put the value and then have to calculate. Next, I'm going to question number 2. Okay. Question number 2 is saying that here PQ are given collinear. Find the ratio in which Q divides PR. So I'm showing you one thing. Here P is the point here. Okay, Q is the point here, and R is the point here. Their coordinates are given. Okay, we have to find in what ratio Q divide the PR. Okay, that means we are taking the ratio, this ratio K is to 1. Okay, we divide, look here I already took, let Q divide the line segment joining P and R in the ratio K is to 1 internally. We are taking just internal ratio. Okay, whenever this kind of question will come, we have to find the ratio. Always try to take internal ratio. Okay, no need to take the external. Understood? So what I will do, I'll find the coordinates of Q. Okay, by the formula. What will be the coordinate of Q? Coordinate of Q, if I put the formula, let me put the formula. Okay, so our formula is this mx2 plus nx1, this divided by m plus n, and this and this. So what is m here? Here m is k. Okay, we told that m is k, and then we will take these two ratio. Okay, don't confuse with q. We have to take, this is, we have to take p and r. So 9k plus 3 into 1. Okay, here n is 1. Understood? Or why I am taking this one? I could take this formula. Sorry. I could take this formula. Yeah, because k is to 1, we already given one formula. You can see, look, k x2. So x2 is 9 here, right? So 9k plus x1. What is x1? 3. Then divided by k plus 1, all denominator. Then k y2. K y2. What is y2? 8. 8 is y2. So k y2, 8k plus y1. What is y1? 2. Then k z2. Z2 is minus 10. So minus 10k plus z1. Z1 is minus 4. So minus 10k minus 4. Okay. So this is our coordinate of Q. If we take Q, divide the PR line segment in case to 1. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to compare the coordinates of Q. Look, the coordinate of Q is given this. That means the x coordinate of Q, we got 9k plus 3 divided by k plus 1 is equal to 5. That's what we wrote here. Look. Now from here we will find the ratio of k and 1 plus 3 equal to 5k plus 5. Then we take the 9k minus 5k, and right side will be 5 minus 3. So it will be 4k equal to 2. So 4k divided by 4 equal to 2 divided by 4. I'm dividing both sides with 4, so we'll get k by 1 equal to 1 by 2. Okay, therefore ratio is k is to 1, ratio is 1 is to 2. Okay, ratio is 1 is to 2. So it's just simple. You can look, I compare the x part, you can compare the y part also. Okay, you can compare 8k plus 2 divided by k plus 1 equal to 4. That's your choice. Is it clear? Any doubt regarding question number 2? Question number 2 is important problem. Any doubt regarding question number 2? Let me know. So we have to write after that. Therefore, Q divide the line segment in 1 is to 2. Okay. Then question number 3. Question number 3 is saying, let's see, is there any doubt? Yeah, we are using internal formula only. I think we are using internal formula. This is the internal formula though. Oh, internal formula means you are saying the first formula. Yeah, obviously. Look, this formula and case to 1, this formula is, there is no difference. In the first formula, it is m is to n. Okay. On case 2, it is saying the ratio is k is to 1. Okay, so this is just a special case. Basically, to be honest, if you can remember only this formula, you can do all the problem. Only you have to remember external is minus. Otherwise, if it is midpoint, m and n will be 1 and 1. If the ratio is given k is to 1, it will be, this is just a special 2 cases. Okay, obviously it is the internal formula. If you want to use this formula directly, I mean like this one, you can use, no problem. Is it clear? Is it clear now? We find, yeah, because the thing is that look, we have to find here k is to 1. Okay, the ratio k is to 1. It does not matter, you can take the y part also and z part also, answer will be same. Okay, if you compare this one and this one, because k is to 1, whatever k and k value, here all three coordinate all will be same. It does not mean that in z coordinate k value different, y coordinate k value different. No, all coordinate k value will be same. So you can take any of the value. I'm taking, look, I'm taking the x coordinate. You can take in your, when you are doing in your book, you just try to take y and z and check the value is same or not. Okay, is it clear? Because we have to find the ratio of k is to 1. That's all. You can take y coordinate, z coordinate, any coordinate. But remember, when you are taking y coordinate, just compare with 4. Don't compare with the 5. 5 is x coordinate. If you are taking z coordinate, compare with -6. Is it clear? Okay. Okay, then let's go to the question number 3. Question number 3 is saying find the ratio in which YZ plane divide the line segment forming by joining these 2 points. So suppose There is a point is there. This is A and this point is B. Okay, and there is a plane. This is YZ plane. This is YZ plane. YZ plane divide A and B in what ratio, that what we have to find. Okay, let's see. C is the point which is lying on YZ plane as well as on the line. Okay, before starting the question, can anyone tell me in YZ plane what is the one special properties of YZ plane? Can you tell me what is one property of YZ plane? What will be the property of YZ plane? Or what is the coordinate, if any point lying on YZ plane, what will be the coordinate of the point? If any point lying on YZ plane, what will be the coordinate of the point? If any point lying on YZ plane, the coordinate will be, okay. Anyone else beside Liang? Anyone? How many of you are here? 7 or 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Yeah. The properties of YZ plane is x part is 0. So basically what we will do, we'll find the C, same like this. Look, we'll find the coordinate of C like this. Okay, and then we'll compare the x coordinate with the 0 because it is known. Okay, so here look, we took here that let the line segment joining A and B. A is this, I'm not writing the point, you can see the point here, -247, and B 3 minus 5 8 divided, be divided by YZ plane at C. So C is the point. Okay, C is the point in which YZ plane divide the AB line segment in two ratio, in ratio k is to 1. In ratio k is to 1. The ratio is k is to 1. Okay, so according to the question, C lies on the YZ plane. As per question, C lies on YZ plane. Therefore, okay, the coordinate, first we have to find the coordinate of, first we have to find the coordinate of C. How to find the coordinate of C? Like this. Okay, coordinate of C will be this. Kx2 x1. So here k is k value is how much? K value is k. Sorry, x2 value is how much? X2 value is 3. So it will be 3k plus, not plus, minus 3 minus 2. Okay, x1 is minus 2. Then minus 5k plus y1. Plus y1 means 4. Plus y1 means 4. Okay, so minus 5k plus 4. Then kz2. Kz2. Z2 value is 10. Sorry, kz2 value is 8. So 8k plus 7. Plus 7. That is our 8k plus 7. So that is our coordinate of C. Okay, now according to the question, Z lie on YZ plane, that is X coordinate of C is 0. X coordinate of C is 0. Therefore, therefore the X part will here the X part will be equal to 0. Now the thing is that here you can't compare Y and Z because Y and Z we don't know. Here we have to compare with the X because X is no, we know 0. Here is given YZ plane, it can be if it is given XZ plane. In XZ plane which is 0, Y 0, that time you have to take this is as a as a 0. Okay, then after that you have to do one thing, you have to find the ratio of K. Okay, so next line you can write 3K minus 2 equal to 0 because K plus 1 into 0 is 0, then divided by 3K equal to 2. Then next line I can write K divided by 1 equal to 2 divided by 3. We can write 2 divided by 3. Okay, so the ratio is K is to 1, ratio is 2 is to 3. Is it clear? So answer will be, have to write the answer. Therefore the required ratio is 2 is to 3. Okay, then question number 4. Question number 4 is saying that using section formula show that these 3 points are collinear. How we will say these are collinear? Suppose this is A, suppose this point is B and this point is C. How we can say this is a collinear using the section formula? When you can say these are collinear? Any idea when you can say ABC are collinear? The addition of ABC should be the addition. What does addition mean? Addition will be not like this. We have to take, look, I already wrote there, we have to take the point B. Suppose this point B, divide this one in some ratio. Suppose k is to 1. Then we have to find the coordinate of B. After that, we'll compare the coordinate of B with coordinate of C. Okay. Am I clear? When you can say ABC are collinear. Collinear when you can see when this, suppose B is the point on a AC line, they divide in some ratio. So first we have to take, suppose B is dividing the point, the line in some ratio k is to 1. Okay. After that, we'll find the value of k. Then we'll try to put the value of k in some of the C or A. Okay. Then only we can say whether it is collinear or not. Let's do, then I will understand. Wait. Okay. Let's take this one. Let take. Let's do, then I'll explain more. Let's take the point P. Let's take the point P. Divide point B. Divide the line segment joining A and B in the ratio of k is to 1. Okay. Then what will be the coordinate of B? Coordinate of B will be kx2. Kx2. We have to take these 2 points, so it will be kx2. Kx2 means kx2. X2 means this point. No, sorry, this point 2k. It will be 2k. 2k plus 0. Plus 0 doesn't matter. Plus 0 will be 0. So divided by k plus 1. Okay. Now, comma. Next will be k plus 1. Numerator will be 1 by 3k plus, but not plus, minus 3. Okay. Okay, wait a 1 second. Hold on. Okay, my okay. Uh, the question is saying here one line segment is there. A. Everyone can hear my voice clearly? My charge almost. Yeah. My charge, laptop charge is almost finished. Okay, so it is saying A, B, C are point. We have to show that A, B, C are collinear. We can say? We will take, there is a point P. We'll take point P. We'll take point P, divide the line segment in case to 1. Okay, let's point P divide the line segment case to 1. After that, we'll get the coordinate of P. Okay, then we'll compare the coordinate of P and B. If it is same, that means B is lying on AC. Okay, that means A, B, C are collinear. So first we'll do, let's P, let's the point P divide the line segment joining A and B, -1, 2, 1 in the ratio case to 1 internally. So what will be the coordinate of P? Not B, coordinate of P. Coordinate of P will be K into, it will be minus K, because K x2, so x2 is minus, plus x1. Okay, divided by K plus 1. Then here y part will be K y2, so it will be 2K minus 3. Then it will be K plus 4. K z2, z2 is 1, so K plus 4. Okay, divided by K plus 1. Now what I will do now, I will now compare. What I will do, I'll put K, I will compare this one with the coordinate of C. We'll check whether this point is C or not, whether P and C are same point or not. Am I clear? We'll try to check whether P and C are same point or not. So we'll compare this one. We'll compare this one with the 0. We'll write like this. Let us examine whether for some K the point P coincide with the point C. We have to check whether for some point whether some value of K, this point P and point C coinciding or not. For this one, what we'll do, we'll just compare this one. Equal to 0. Okay, I'm putting the x value, I'm comparing the x value. So what will be the what will be K value we are getting? For this one, you are getting minus K plus 2 equal to 0. K plus 1 into 0 is 0, and K value we are getting 2. Now what I will do, I will put K value in this Y part and Z part. Then we'll check whether this is equal to this 2 or not. Okay, now we'll do when K equal to 2. When K equal to 2, let's see what will be this part. When K equal to 2, this part equal to 2 into 2 into 2 minus 3 divided by 2 plus 1. If sorry, 2 plus 1. So it will be 4 minus 3 divided by 3. Answer is 1 by 3. And the thing is that look, this value is same as this coordinate of C. Okay, then again we have to put in Z part. Put k equal to 2 in here. So it will be 2 plus 1, numerator will be 2 plus 4. So equal to 6 by 3, which is equal to 2. Now look, the thing is that all the values of P, all the coordinate of P is same as coordinate of C. What does that mean? That means P and C is same point. Okay, we took P is the point which divide the A and B in some ratio k is to 1. Okay, after that, after comparing this one, after checking all the coordinates with the coordinate of P raised to, we got the coordinate of P for some value for k equal to 2. P and C is same things. So what I will do, therefore we can write, therefore C comma 0 comma 1 by C 0 comma 1 by 3 comma 2 is a point which divides AB internally in 2:1 2:1 ratio. Okay, hence how can I write 2:1 ratio? Because k value we got 2, so we took already that P divide k is to if we divide AB and k is to 1 ratio. After that we got P and C are coinciding. Okay, so we can see, hence what we can write, A comma B comma C are collinear. Okay, here one thing you must write, therefore C is the point which divides AB in 2:1 ratio and is coincide with point B. Okay, the C will be coincide with point B. So that's the question. This question is important question. So what the question saying, when we have to prove it is collinear or not, we are taking P is the point which divide AB in some ratio. Okay, after that using the section formula we got the coordinate of P, and then we comparing the one value of one coordinate x coordinate of P and C, we got one value of K. Okay, after getting the K, we just put the into other value of in Z y coordinate and Z coordinate of P, so that we can we are guessing whether these are coinciding or not, and we can see these are coinciding. Okay, for K value of K, these are P and C are coinciding, so we can say ABC are collinear. Is it clear, anyone? Is it clear? Then sir, why compare P and C, not P, B or PA? Look, we took P divide A and B in k is to 1 ratio. when we are saying P is dividing A is to 1 ratio, that means P must not be A and B. Is it clear? Suppose here I'm showing, we are taking that it is AB, okay, and P is the point. When we are saying P is dividing K is to 1 ratio, that means P and B cannot be the same point. P or A or P or B cannot be same point. If they are same point, they can't divide the AB in K is to 1 ratio. Okay, but C is completely different point. We are not counting C on AB. Okay, so that we are checking P with C only. We are checking P with C, whether the P and C are same point or not. Is it clear? This is a good question. Why not comparing? Okay. Okay, fine. Then let's move on to the last question for today. Last question is saying find the coordinate of the point which trisect the line segment PQ. Trisect means, I hope you know. Trisect means, suppose this is the point P and this is the point Q, and suppose here it is the point is A and this is the point B. Trisect means divide in 3 equal parts. Okay, so you can see PA, or we are taking RS. Okay, fine, no problem. We are taking the point is RS. Okay, so so this point will be R and this point is is. So you can see RS is the point on the line, so that is this 3 equal part. Okay, so how to do 3 equal part? Mean this is one part, this is another one part, and this is another one part. So we'll see R is dividing in which ratio? In which ratio R is dividing? R is dividing in 1:2 ratio. So using the section formula, we can find the coordinate of R. Similarly, we can say S is dividing in 2:1 ratio. 2:1. Okay, but I'll do a little bit different way. Wait, I'll do a little bit different way. First we'll take that R. First I'll take R is divide in 1:2 ratio. Okay, that ratio I'll take. First I'll take R is dividing, this is 1 and this is 2. 1:2 ratio. So coordinate of Q, let's find out the coordinate of Q. How to find the coordinate of Q? Is the put the formula. Put the formula. If you put the formula, it will be okay. So what is M? M here, I'm writing here. Okay, not changing here. M is 1. M is 1 and m is 1 and x2 is p cube, x2 is 10. Then n is 2 and x1 is x1 is x1 is 4. Okay, similarly here also m y2 m is 1, y2 is minus 16 plus 2 into y1 is 2, and m x2 is 6 plus is minus 6. Okay, z1 is minus 6, and denominator will be obviously 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. Then it will be, if you simplify this one, it will be 10 and 4 into 2 8, so it will be 18 by 3. Okay, then it will be minus 16 plus 4, so it will be minus 16 plus 4 is minus 12 divided by 3. Then 6 minus 12, so it will be minus 6. Calculation you just checks by yourself once. Okay, so this will be 3 comma minus 4 comma minus 2. Fine. Now what I was saying, first we took this one 1:2 ratio, right? Now, so we already got the coordinate of r, and we know the we know the coordinate of q. Okay, so how to find the coordinate of s? You can use the 2:1. You can use that. Okay, you can use this ps is 2 and is to 1, but I will use the midpoint formula. Look, r and this part and this part 1:1. Okay, so we'll use the midpoint formula, that we'll use s is the midpoint of r and q. Okay, now we'll take like this, point s is the midpoint of rq, and obviously as I told, you can use the 2:1 also. Okay, same thing but 2:1, but I prefer this is the easier. Okay, because whenever possible, midpoint is less calculation, because x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Okay, midpoint. So the coordinate of s will be x1 plus x2. What is r coordinate? Coordinate of r is 3. So x1 is suppose 3, and q coordinate is 10. So 3 plus 10 divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2. y1, what is y1? y1 for r, y1 is minus 4 plus y2 is q is minus 16. Sorry. Then this is 2, denominator numerator with z1 plus z2. z1 means r z minus 2 plus z2 is 6. Now, so I told the answer will be 13 by 2 comma Oh, wait. Here it was 6, right? Sorry, my mistake. 18 divided by 3 is 6. Minus 4 minus 2, yeah. So here it will be 6. 6 plus 2, it will be 16 by 2. 16 by 2, comma 12 by 2, comma 4 by 2. If you compare this one, this will be 8, comma 6, comma 4. Okay. One another mistake is here. Here it was minus 16. So it is minus 4 minus 16. It will be minus 20. Minus 20. So it will be minus 10. Minus 10. Calculation just check again. Okay. And 6 minus 2. It will be 4. Sorry. 4 divided by 2 is, look, there is a few mistakes was there, so be careful while calculation. Okay, so we took the p, r and q. R coordinate is 6 minus 4 minus 2. Be careful about this one. And q coordinate is 10 minus 16 plus 6. All the calculations is check again. Okay, so is it clear today? Today's class I will end here actually. Any doubt regarding question number 5? I hope you are listening this one.